Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. Today is May the 30th and the chart of the day for today is the dollar index 60 minutes time frame. We can see we ended with 4 here, intermediate degree, and from here we can clearly see a 5 swing down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is favoring more downside. Correction is over in 3. This is 7 swing, so 1, 2, 3, and then another 1, 2, 3, so it's a 7 swing, and then starting to turn lower. Now you can see the decline from here looks impulsive, and therefore more or less we should continue to resume to the downside within this wick 5, and any short-term rally later on should continue to fail in 3711 against this peak in the first degree 100.5 and continues to go down. So this is therefore looking for downside continuation here. Now if I zoom out on the 4 hour, focusing on this wave 4, now this is your wave 4, right? So we are now doing this 1, 2, 3. Now you can see the arrow in the 1 hour time frame still remains turning down. If you could go up to the 4 hour time frame, if this is wave 4, that's your wave 3 over here. So the idea is that we have not broken below that previous low, which is why in the shorter cycle 1 hour, the trend still remains turning down. Once it breaks below 3 though, that will confirm the 4 is truly in place and that we will not be doing or negating the view of a double correction like this. This is a double correction in a bigger 3 swings before moving down. So that alternate is always going to be present unless we can break below the 3. But we currently have the more bearish view or more aggressive view to the direction of the trend, which is lower in the dollar index. Okay, so the other thing that you can see, this rally here also ended in 3 swings. It's a corrective rally here. You can see this is the connector here, 1 WXY, and finish at the 100% extension area perfectly and pulling back. So this is the blue box that we showed on the members in the 4 hour time frame, and our members sold it here. This is the high frequency area. Our members sold it here. So therefore when they sold it there, with this reaction lower, our members are able to create risk-free position, take partial profit, move the stop loss. All right, so now again in the 1 hour time frame, we are anticipating for the downside, and this short-term correction looks completed as well with another impulsive move down, confirming the idea most likely the correction in the shorter cycle is also complete. All right, so for further updates on the dollar index or any other forex, commodities, indices, feel free to check our service. Here is our website, so you can check out the 14-day trial here. Elliott Wave Forex.com. It's only 99 cents for limited time, and you also can check the plans and pricing here. We got a couple of different plans and pricing, from the silver plan to the diamond plan. You can check out the differences there. And if you want to learn more about Elliott Wave, you can go to the education here. So we got a couple of different classes, courses for you to choose from. So you can check out all this thing here in our website. Now I'm going to provide a direct link in the description of the video to those courses as well as to the trial plan here. Okay, so see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.